Okay, so I'm going to be doing one up and set just one up. Just as like what you're doing, so let's go to the warm up. Now, in order to get access to the machine from our machine, because I'm using the virtual machine in a Parrot OS. So what I have to do is I have to connect via the VPN. So I'll download the VPN configuration. Okay. I'll download it. Let me download it into the home directory. Okay. And then we'll connect via the terminal. So I think they even show the command here. Let's see. Yes, so if you don't have OPVPN, you should install it with this command. Then this is how you connect sudo opvpn --config, then the path to the config file. So we're going to do exactly that. So this is it. Okay, so I'm connected now. Now if I should refresh, yeah, as you can see, it's connected. So now let's start the machine. So if we want to use the terminal, we'll have to use it, open a different tab or a different terminal. Okay. All right, so the machine has been completely started now. Telnet is a protocol used for accessing remote computers over the internet. Provides a text-based interface for users to communicate with and control another machine by lax encryption, making it less secure. So we are going to take our time. I know I've done this already, but I'm still going to go through the process and help you to understand how we did this. Okay, so the first question, which is asking about the ports that are OP. We have to perform an Nmap scan on this IP. So I'm going to copy the IP here, come to our terminal and run an Nmap scan. It's as simple as just typing Nmap and then pasting the IP address and hitting enter. Then we'll wait for the result. The next question is asking us the running service name. Okay, so let's finish with the first question. Which ports are open? So as you can see, we have port 23 open, which looks like it's the only port that's open. Okay. You can try to scan the top 1000 ports and see if it will still be this, because by default, Nmap does the scan for the 1000 ports, okay, the top 1000 ports. It doesn't scan all 65,000. Okay. So sometimes certain ports might be open, but you not know. So what I think we can do is we can scan all the ports. Okay, this is the command to scan all the ports, and then we paste the IP address. One thing about this is that since we are scanning all the ports, it's going to take a very long time. So for now, let's just open a new tab and do something else while that runs. Okay. So now we know the ports that are open. They say what's the running service name. To check the service, we use -sv. Okay. Put the IP. Then we can specify the ports for 23. Since that's the only open port we saw per the scan. Now what is the service? Telnet. So that's the answer. It says what is the host name? Okay. So now to get the host name, You can first try to connect, okay, to the machine via Telnet. Yeah, we can try. So as you can see, you should always try the default credentials. So we can try this roots as the login and roots as the password. And it works. We are in. So I can type pwd, who am I, and I'm in. So now host name is Aaron. That answers this question. What's the username password you used to connect to Telnet? That was roots. What's the working directory location where you connect to Telnet? So to get that, you just have to type pwd, so /roots, and that's it. So it's as simple as this. That's how easy this room is. With that, we are done.